Hey, so I know a lot of fellow local businesses are being significantly affected, drastically affected by COVID. A lot of folks are working from home for proper social distancing, like I am, and I want to show you how to update your websites with the notifications that you want to have as far as hours and ways to contact you, kind of like our site is right now. And I'm actually going to precede that instruction with an offer. Complimentary, our gift to our fellow local businesses. If you need a message like this, a brief message about how you're handling coronavirus added to your website, please just contact our office and we'll be happy to take care of that for you, again, at no charge. Probably the best way to do that is to email support@websitesforanything.com. Give us the detail of your company name, your website address, best way to contact you, where to go to log into your website, and your username, and then call our office with your password. Please don't email a password for your own security. Also include the message that you want on there, and then we'll go in and make that update for you. It's as easy basically as sending an email, and since we do need to get a password, making a quick login. Obviously, if you're one of our current support clients, you don't need to do that. We already have your login information. Just let us know the change you want made. And if you're an advanced support client, of course, a change like this is always free. So what I want to do is walk you through how to do this yourself in case you think that'll be an easier way to go for you. So what I'm first going to do is show you just a couple quick examples. So on our site, we've gone with a notification bar or an alert bar here at the top of the site. We were working earlier today, or actually yesterday, on making an update for Fletcher Construction, which is an advanced support client of ours. We also did their website design. And with theirs, we kind of did it right here below the call to action box. You can see just that red text. We were also working on this site, which is a client of ours that we do support for, and some other services. And we did a red section because they had a longer message. We could do like a button like this. I really like the idea of kind of having that primary message, probably something, personally, I would probably do something a little shorter, and then a read more. Like if you click on this one, what it does is it downloads a file where you can actually read a letter from the owner. And I understand that way you can kind of get the most important information out there, right, about your hour change or about I don't know, whatever the critical thing is that every client or potential customer needs to know. And then if they want more details, they can click here and learn more. You could also have this learn more button take them to another page on the website actually to read that. That's an option. So for our site, we went with just a straight notification bar at the top. And the reason I like this is it's something that can be reused in the future. It's a function that a lot of sites that we work on already have installed, so it's easy to use. But I'm going to walk you through how to set that up because I was just in here updating ours. So the first thing is going to be, let me just kind of back out one step here. So the first thing will be, if you're on your website, and to be very clear here, I'm talking about how to do this on a WordPress website. If you don't have a WordPress website, it may still be easy to do, but I don't have the time to create an instruction for all of them currently. So I'm just going to walk through how to do this if you have a WordPress website. First thing to do is go to your homepage, and then up here in the address bar, you want to add behind the URL for your homepage, websitesforanything.com or acmelocalcompany.com. You want to add a slash, and then WP, which is short for WordPress, and then dash, and then admin. And this will take you to the admin page of your website. So go to your website homepage and then add /WP-admin. If you have any problems with that, just give us a call and we'll be glad to help you out. So then from here, you're going to need to log in with your username and password, or your email address and password. And that'll take you into the dashboard. And what we want to do is we want to go to this left bar. I like to call this the admin menu. And we want to go to plugins. And let's go to plugins here. And that'll take a second to load. And then we'll go add new. Now, I've actually already done this, but I just kind of want to walk you through the process. So next, up in the top right here, you have a search box. And what we want to do is search for a notification bar. And that'll bring up a variety of options. A lot of them are valid. Feel free to try one or two if you don't like the one that we like. You may find that one isn't compatible with your particular design or theme and you need to try another one. That's okay. My advice would be to pick something with, in this case, we're not talking about something experimental. We want something that's going to work. So find something with 10,000 active installations, preferably something updated in the last 3 months. 6 months is probably okay. 12 months is getting a little dicey. The one we picked here is called WP notification bars. We tried another one that actually didn't work with our design, and so then we switched to this one. It's got 20,000 active installations. It was updated 4 months ago. So then it'll have a button here that says install now, just like you see on all these other ones. Click install now. It'll install, and then it'll hopefully refresh the screen or refresh that area, and you'll have a blue button to activate that. Once you click activate, again, it'll take a few seconds, maybe reload, and then you're going to look for the settings for that notification bars plugin that you just added. So for WP notification bars, it adds it right here on the left, sort of near the bottom. You can see here are the settings for that. If you've chosen to try a different plugin, you might have to look somewhere else for their settings. Like some plugins will put their settings under settings here on the left. Some will put them under tools. But many of them will add their own section to the admin options here on the left. So now we're going to open up that, and we'll probably have a blank here, and we can click add new, and that'll add a new notification bar. As you can see, you already have one existing, so let's just go in and edit that. Then again, with this particular plugin, your options might be different, but if you use the same one I have, you'll see that you have a content tab here, and you have the ability to add text, which is probably the main thing you want to do. So right here, I've typed in, due to COVID-19 precautions, please call 540-376-7008 or email support@websitesforanything.com. Now, because we're web designers, we went and added a tiny bit of code here that makes that a clickable link where you can just click support@websitesforanything.com and it'll start an email on your computer. You don't have to know how to write HTML. Most people can copy and paste that or retype it in, but your message might well be different, like your hours or something like that. We also have the option here, which is pretty cool. We have the option to add a button to that bar. So if you wanted to, say, put a separate page or a separate file on your website that they could view or download for an extended message, that'd be a great option to do with the button text and then the button or the link URL. Additionally, we have some style options here. So I'm going to switch over to that real quick and just show you that this is where we set the background color to that nice green, made sure the text was a bright white. And then lastly, we want to publish these changes or take them live on the site. And so we're going to go over here to this publish box and we're going to click this blue button. Now, it may initially say publish. You want to click publish. Right now it says update. So if I'd made any changes, I could click update. And then I can go back up here and visit my website, and I will see that the website bar is in fact in place right there. So that's how to do that. If you want to add a notification bar to your WordPress website and put your COVID-19 message there, it's now very easy for me to update as I need to. I can hide or disable that, sort of as things pass, change the color if for some reason I need to. And then it's in place in the future. Winter comes back around, right, as it inevitably will, and we want to talk about a snow delay or something like that. We can put that message there. I like to leave notification bars, hidden, so that when they do come up, they catch people's attention and the message is clearly important and timely. So that's how to add a notification bar to your WordPress website. But like I said, we are here to help, and we really want to help our local fellow businesses as much as we can. So if that seems like something that you'd rather hand off to our support team, again, as our complimentary gift to you during this time, we'll be happy to make that change for you at no charge. The best way to do that is to email your request to support@websitesforanything.com. That's websites with an S, for is spelled out FOR, support@websitesforanything.com. But please do call to provide your password for your security, 540-376-7008. If you have any questions, hit a message, send us an email, give us a call, and we'll be happy to help. I'm Josh Walton with Websites for Anything. Stay safe and have a great day.